This tutorial aims to guide you through the process of accessing Microsoft Teams, creating a team, and adding your class or faculty to your newly created team. This tutorial is aimed for users who have not yet used Teams before and are wanting to set up a class to use it. So what is Microsoft Teams? Teams is a collaboration space for your class where you can interact with students in a forum setting, upload documents for sharing using OneDrive, mark assignments, upload videos, conduct conference calls, and many other cool features. All this can be accessible from all devices and at any location with internet. As long as a staff member or student know their LearnLink address, you are good to go. So, why Teams? Well, the push for Teams at Narracott High School is simple. We intend to create a digital learning environment for students and staff that can be accessible at all times and on all devices. This push will look to phase out students utilising the use of using school servers to save work to. It will also look to reduce printing across the site and allowing a faster response time for student feedback. So to get started, the quickest way to access Teams is to open a web browser and access your school emails through your LearnLink. From here, we can click the app launcher in the top left of your screen. That's the 3x3 box up the top left. And take a quick moment to see all the apps that are available to you. The one we are looking at today is Teams. Clicking on Teams will take you to the Teams website. You may be asked to sign in. This will be with your LearnLink details. Teams can either be accessed on a web browser, so as you are now, or if you like, you can download the desktop application and open it as a program. Either way, both will work and both will have the same desired effect. Once we have logged into Teams, you will now see a dashboard. So these tiles on the dashboard are teams that I am a part of, and up the top is an option for me to quickly create or join a team. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to both get you to create a team as well as join one. So from this dashboard, let's go up to the top here and click create or join a team. So this screen allows me to either join or create a team. So let's go ahead and click create a team. So these options is how you want the team to be set up. As the team I am creating is for my class, I'm going to choose the option for class. If this team was for my faculty, for example, I would choose staff. So let's click on class. Alright, so let's give it a name. So if you'd like, you can call it the class code. Example being is 8MGD, or you can go with the full name. So for this, I'm going to type Year 8 Muscle Gains Development. It's also handy to add the year after the class name. This is to prevent the pain the following year of removing members and re-adding them. You can simply create a new team and delete the other one. So clicking next, when asked to add students or teachers to the group, we're going to skip this for now. And excellent, your team should now be created. Alright, so you'll notice General is listed here underneath the team. This is known as channels. So depending on my purpose of creating the team, I could choose to create a channel for each topic in my subject. Perhaps for week 1, I'm talking about bicep curls. I'll create a channel for bicep curls. There I can post topics about everything bicep curls and make sure I skip everything to do with leg day. Another idea might be to create a questions channel where students can ask questions and you reply on that channel. It's entirely up to you. For now though, I'm just going to click on General and view the content on that channel. As you can see, it's boring, blank and bland. So to create a new post, down the bottom here, I'm going to click on Start a New Conversation. And I'm going to begin typing out my message. So you can choose to attach a document or a picture. And once you've finished, click the Send button. Now that my message has been posted, any members of my team can now view and reply to this message. If you attach a document to it or any form of clip, they will be able to download it on their computers. This can be found in the Files section on the left-hand side. So I've created my team, I've posted something, but I have no members to look at it. So perhaps it's time we add some members to our team. So as this is a class-based team, I'm going to add students into this. There are two ways I can add members into my team. As this is a fresh team and I would like to present this team to my class, I could choose to generate a code and have each student in my class add by code. So to do this, I select my team, I click the three dots next to the name of my class and select Manage Team. I'll click Settings and then Team Code. I have this option here to generate. I'm going to click Generate and it will give me a new code. You'll see an option here for full screen. This will place the code up on your screen. So you could use this if you are projecting your computer to a projector and all students can see that code. Alternatively, you can choose to write this code on the whiteboard. The second option for members to join your team is by individually adding the student using their LearnLink email address. By clicking Members, clicking Add Members, you can type their email address in and click Add. This method, however, requires you to know the student's email address. If you had a student named John Smith, there is every chance there will be more than one student with that email address in South Australia. Therefore, to get the right email address, you'll find each student profile on Central has their email available. Viewing their profile and clicking Contact Information will show their email address. So when on Teams, type this in and you'll have that student added. You might be in a position where you want to join a team. To do this, all we need to do is go back to the dashboard, click Join or Create a Team, and where it says enter a code, enter the code that was given to you by the team owner. Alternatively, if they added you by email address, then you will automatically be added to that team, and that team is available to you within the dashboard. And there you have it. You have successfully created a team. Your members have now joined, either by email or by code, and you are now able to post to them on a channel. Hopefully now you can begin to utilize this effectively, either with your class or with your faculty.